Here we go again. Welcome back guys to a new video. Nice to see you here again, all of your smiling faces. Today we are in the canton of Bern, exactly in Sigriswil, where a bridge is. So we're going to visit this bridge. Stay tuned and let's go. Okay, before I can cross the bridge I had to buy a ticket, this one, and I had to pay 8 francs for crossing the bridge. So to give you that advice to not pay here anything, go from the other side. These 8 francs are, I think, a bit too much for just crossing this bridge. Here we are on the bridge. On my left there is the lake of Thun, and on my right there is a forest. Now I'm going to give you some interesting facts about the bridge here. The bridge has an altitude of 34 meters and it's 80 meters long. Okay guys, forget it. That was the wrong bridge. The facts now which I told you, that was of another bridge. That was the Panorama Bridge of Bertenberg. Let's go to this bridge with these facts. I thought about it, can't be that this bridge has only 34 meters altitude. Alright, here we go with the Panorama Bridge of Sigriswil, where we are. The bridge is 340 meters long and has an altitude of 182 meters. Now it's correct. And the sun is really shining. I always forget to take my sunglasses with me. Alright. I've crossed now the bridge. On this side there is no one who's charging you money. If you want to go here, don't go to Sigriswil, start from the other side and cross then the bridge. So then you cross the bridge, go to Sigriswil, and then you can take the bus, go back to Thun, or you can just walk to Thun. This 2.5 hours of walking. So guys, we made it back to Thun and we got hungry, thirsty. I would say that let's go for a lunch. See you there. So guys, that was it for today. Thank you for being here, thank you for watching. Subscribe, don't forget, leave a comment down below, and see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Peace.